Yes sir. Hey y'all, before we hop into the video, I just want to ask y'all to please follow my socials, man, so y'all can be updated on all the content we drop, so y'all won't miss a goddamn thing for sure. Because if you're watching this right now, that means you're meant to be here. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you can be here for the come up on God, bro. And be sure to check out my music on all platforms. But with all that being said, please enjoy the video.
Yeah, fashions. Yeah, fashion, fashion. Yeah.
Hey man, we all know this nigga Yachty just dropped a huge banger, nigga. We heard the song the first day. That bitch went immediately viral. I ain't gonna lie. You can tell, like, Yachty has always been like a different type of artist, but you can tell at this point in his career, he's honestly having fun. Like, he blew up, what, like 2016? 2015, 2016 is 20, something like that. He blew up when I was in high school. I was a sophomore in high school when Yachty blew up. So either way, you can tell he done did a lot. He's done the Michigan flow. Now he's taking the walk to Poland. I'm pretty sure this nigga not lying. He done got on a PJ with, you know what I'm saying, with the promethazine with that motherfucker, nigga, you know what I'm saying, and took that motherfucker across seas, nigga, in real life. He done made a whole entire country. I'm assuming Poland's a country, right? Maybe a continent, country, wherever the fuck. You can call me a dumbass, whatever. He done made that whole entire country relevant again. Nobody was giving a fuck about Poland until the walk was brung over there, man. Tap in.
Are you fucking with that girl?
Yeah. He's having fun with his career though. I know this video gonna be fire as fuck. Oh, was the video shot in Poland? The video's probably shot in Poland. This nigga's the fucking go, Lebo.
To Poland. Took the walk.
What's the fit, bro? What ain't lie? He got what shoes he had on? Them shits are big as fuck. Them shits probably some type of designer I can't afford, but them hoes big as fuck though. It's like, yeah, like, niggas like nigga Yachty, the way he dress and shit, like he got his own style and stuff. I ain't gonna lie, I can't rock jean shorts, nigga. I look nasty, nigga. I'm fat, nigga. I'm scaring all the hoes away as soon as I pop out with some jean shorts. So that shit dead, bro.
I took the walk to Poland.
That nigga in Poland at the train station, this shit hard. And that shit, is that an American Idol t-shirt? This shit says contestant some, like some American Idol logo type shit.
To Poland. I've been feeling like I'm Keenan, run around with a Caltech. If you mean it, baby.
This nigga said like I'm Keenan riding around with a Caltech, nigga. Only real niggas know about. Only real niggas understand that. Kenan and Kel, nigga. Kenan and Kel was one of my favorite TV shows, nigga. So only real niggas gonna understand that, nigga. Like, niggas know about Nick at Night. You know, that motherfucker, man. Come on, man.
I've been leaning, baby girl, I've been leaning. Cross the ringing, battling all my demons. I've been fiending, baby girl, I've been fiending. Hope you love me, baby.
Nah, that shit fire.
To Poland, I took the walk. To Poland.
Yo, I wonder how this shit went when he was in the studio, because you know he was geeked up, nigga. I ain't like, he just was like, I wonder how this came out, nigga. Like, 'cause it came out because he actually took the walk to Poland. So he just, I took the walk. You know this nigga really a songwriter, writing songs for Young Miami and shit. Nigga, Yachty be freaking the beat, boy. Nigga, he got Babytron in the video, nigga. Shout out Detroit, nigga. I told you, bro. This nigga Yachty, he should be having fun. This nigga Yachty is having fun. Yachty and Babytron are in Poland drinking walk. That's life.
To Poland, I took the walk to Poland.
I been feeling like I'm and it's short too, bro. He's perfect. He's a fucking musical genius. He knew not to make no shit like this. 3 minutes, no 2:20. No, the song is 1minute and 28 fucking seconds. Literally, it's one fucking the hook, the verse, and the hook, and the song's over. Literally, it's catchy, quick, fast, to get out of there, nigga. Let's go. Before we fucking, you know what I'm saying, bro? Nigga smart. You know what he doing, bro. Nigga, the walk is in Poland, nigga. As a Polish person myself, I can confirm they were previously walkless, but now we're extremely walkable thanks to Mr. Bo. Niggas in Poland are probably actually going fucking crazy about this shit, bro. Putting Poland on the map again, I guess, you know what I'm saying? So that's just crazy, bro. This nigga Yachty is probably getting fucking glamorized like he's fucking Christopher Columbus or some shit, you know what I'm saying, bro? So either way, bro, nigga Yachty's that nigga. That's just a banger. Shout out Kenan and Kel. Shout out nigga Babytron, man. And we out this bitch, man. Yeah! Fashions!